Okay, on this property we get a very uneven backyard. You can't see it very well, but this backyard is very lumpy, very wavy all the way across. There's several low spots scattered throughout. A lot of this is pools water because of water that comes in off of the street, off of the neighbor's driveway. All of the gutters have downspouts and just water just kind of keeps coming in. So water pools in lots of areas here. Now there are a couple very low areas. This is one from about this area to this spot right here, just outside of this gutter. There's about a 2-foot drop, 2-foot fall this direction. And from this low spot, there's a bridge just down the path right here where we're going to exit. There's about another 1.5 foot fall that direction. So our solution here for the backyard is we'll need to bring in probably a truck of soil, clean fill dirt that we'll use throughout this area. But we're going to use the Harley rake, and we're just going to shave down all these lumpy areas, and we want to shave this down so it's nice and sloped, but we want water that's on this side of the yard here to be able to fall somewhat freely into the ravine. Get rid of all these low areas. From that downspout to the ravine, there's another foot of fall, at least maybe a foot and a couple inches. So we'd like to be able to tie in this downspout and bring it over here so it terminates into the ravine, and we'll just kind of slope this area with the Harley rake and make sure that all that water can fall freely into that ravine. Back on this side of the backyard, again, we're going to use the Harley rake and just smooth everything out as best as we can. We have a couple low spots back here where we're going to put a catch basin. We'll run the Harley rake through this area as well. We'll put a catch basin right there in this low area. There's another natural low area right here. We'll place another catch basin, and then back over here where this bench is our lowest area. We're going to place another catch basin in this area as well, and we're going to tie in those 2 downspouts on this side of the house and those catch basins, and we're just going to run single pipe out here to the exit point. You can see this area has lots of roots. We'll need to bring the trencher in to cut through all of this, but we have adequate fall right here. We'll just put some sort of a pop-up, or we can just do a culvert opening and let the water freely flow straight into the ravine. Again, this is just looking at the backyard from this back angle here, but we'll have the Harley rake clear through all of this, and we're going to place that catch basin here. Here's that downspout. We're going to tie that in, as well as that downspout, second catch basin, third catch basin, and then it's going to exit out that way. Now up front here, we're going to have some drainage up here. We're going to place a catch basin over here next to where this sign area is, but you can see how the grade raises from the sidewalk up here towards this downspout. We're actually going to want to cut this down some, and we're going to place a catch basin there and another catch basin right here in line with it, and we're going to try to shape the ground so that way we have adequate fall, and we're going to connect that into this system that we just were talking about. So we're going to have catch basin, grade this down, catch basin, we're going to tie in this downspout, we'll add another catch basin down here in this whole area, and then we're going to tie in the other catch basin and downspout all the way out to the back.